Let's catch up with Allison. She's a junior and an atmospheric science major. UAlbany has one of the nation's best climate and weather programs, perfect for someone like Allison, who's been captivated by the power of the weather her whole life. What better place to discover the mysteries of the atmosphere? Allison, we love to hear your full story. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. I've always known I wanted to pursue a career in meteorology, and it was Hurricane Sandy that solidified my decision. I was scared, but fascinated by the storm. And that experience led me to majoring in atmospheric science at UAlbany, home to one of the best atmospheric and environmental science programs in the nation. One of the most fulfilling experiences I've had since I started here was interning at the New York State Mesonet, a network of 127 weather stations that provide real-time observations for forecasting and research with headquarters right here at UAlbany. My learning experience has also not been limited to campus. Students have many opportunities to intern and even gain work experience with local TV stations like I was able to do at CBS 6 in Albany. These hands-on experiences have helped me bridge the gap between science and communication, better preparing me for a career as a meteorologist. One of the main reasons I chose UAlbany is the incredible learning environment. ETech, the largest instructional building on our campus, is home to the Department of Atmospheric and Environmental Sciences, the New York State Mesonet, the State Weather Risk Communication Center, as well as the Albany National Weather Service office. With more than 40 labs, 200 fantastic faculty members, and 100 research industry partners, ETech offers a dynamic space for hands-on learning. Thanks to everything I've learned here at UAlbany, I feel prepared for a future career in meteorology. But it's not just the academic experiences that have shaped me. I've met my best friends here at the university. My classmates and professors often feel like a family that supports us, which makes all the difference as I look ahead into my future career as a meteorologist. Now, reporting for UAlbany Weather, handing the mic back to you, Alex.
What a great story, Allison. You've had incredible real-world experiences through the university at Albany. It sounds like you're on your way to the career of your dreams with a great support network of professors and friends. Keep up the good work. We'll be watching for you on TV.